Cape Coast Takwade. Pandemic be there. The crowd I'm who or no young guys. Say I perform, but the crowd I saw no, who they youths. And for them to have such love for even the way I present the music and not just say one new way because they are say we came me fully international standard level. The team, the band, the back, and they were receiving and they were happy. Saying, I'm so grateful.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem.
Yesterday sport day.
God bless you.
I'm confident.
Baby,
I'm war. I draw arrange now like
Cape Coast. They say and you there. Cape Coast. I say. It's all love. It's all love. They love music. They know music.
I know, right? Pounds the time, you know, I can say, but see, police.
Yes, of course.
You know,
Cape Coast police.
God
bless. You see.
Mogo. All right, so it's a food. This man out here, and I do a papaya ombre. You understand? Last time I'm sharing, you're in Western region, baby, to Boho, does it. And that's so why about Kaswa. Now, why there? Kaswa will be at the dinner, we're going to buy a papa.
I can't Ashama, dear, say when you say
7. It's a brother.
Hey, me patrol me care there because of Eba. Me muntu one from Abba. Ebaka so be IOBB.
No.
So say sometimes your social media narrative. Of course, things happen. But when it goes into the news, it becomes big. But believe me, there are great people everywhere. Me, I was born and grown as Ashama, and I've never ever looked back in mentioning Ashama. So I don't know, but I think it's sort of like coincidence why I chose Kaswano. I think I just felt like I needed to go into another community that is like mine, basically. So I'm like, okay, the widows there, let's go and show them love. Young can show love with the little we have. So when you say, it's not about the most, it's about the least. But once it's coming from a good place and the intention is pure, God will bless it every time.
And there's one thing about you, our mother's song, Baby.
It's
not it was special love will be my mommy for Nazi. What's that feeling? As in it keeps you like, no, you're in the takrad in the moon day. Focus on our mommy for now when you're good water one woman. Ain't no so ben widows and single mothers and they focus on what. What's the inspiration behind that?
I think, sir, in even the Bible says women are the weaker vessels. But out of them, is where we come. Me who the Bema or Bema Awobada.
No, I'm confident.
Like you can walk and be a na bomb one but what they play there. You say they are almost sombo. So Mother's Day, Mother's Day. Apart from say Ebeko online na akotate be there. Oh, mothers na day. I think say over to me in addition, you have to make the actual. I mean, I believe in the reality more than even the online. Obi on throw BBR and so now movement are why you're on the ground. It means a lot more than saying. I brought it here. Say, yeah, videos. Look at the faces of who they for us. Look at the faces.
Me wanna kasa. It tells something I will catch. I'll play some of the video. They said so many wonderful things about you. Anyway, Charlie, keep doing this, and I'm sure this is the reason why when their blessings be back. Maybe I want to move and I'm scorpions. Still, it's your
of course, because you see. My and there a light. My is on the positive side. It's on the side of the light. And if you shine light, no darkness can stop the light. I say, Ejuma Kuabuaye, Twisco, Twillium, medicine for techno, that Gino. Just say we are the foundation in Aqua there. Mother's Day, what's up? Entry cry battery. Watching, which we go add, we go do a lot of things just to make people happy. The cost is on us, but the love comes back to all of us because who are we and if you are come up mono, empire mine, you're quite best, but every amba will be more best. Go to next person. That's like it's humanity, of course. So, media, these things give me a lot of joy. Not because I have it all, and other me will be playing to be nade. Oh, they mean Kasa. But the actual movement in there, this is top quality movement into no naturally Nyankopon side yeah.
I say I see baby and that's Cape Coast to food I say. I mean a step stage you know 4 close to 5 a.m.
Yes.
But a gym
thereabout.
At us,
yes.
A gym when I perform and say also
too much.
Now baby I'm putting you one day a gym when to Mother's Day no more.
Yes.
I say we'll feel it rough.
Yes.
That a breast up.
The Cape Coast takwade. But then we can be there. The crowd are who are no young guys. Say I perform, but the crowd I saw no, who they youths. And for them to have such love for even the way I present the music and not just say one new way because they are they we came me fully international standard level the team the band the back and they were receiving and they were happy saying I'm so grateful say we have a long way to go. Shout outs to what they are saying they came. Shout outs to Kofi Kinata also Obe or Bia Dinamo artists be Obe Bia Guru Monade. Bro, we can only keep going forward. Yeah, so yemre so you be making sure they are doing do baby around. Or you serious. Now, 1 hour bounce will carry from there to another serious level.
I see. Bless. But I see baby for your time.
Paco Rich, big up. My mind does me.
I fought to Paco Rich now. That be on Yamara.
Hey yo, what's up Ghana? You don't know what's up world. I go by the name Stonebwoy and those saying the man, the DJ Paco Rich, baddest in the industry, baddest in the game, representing from the west side. And take care, Betty. And I did